The last one I was on, that red one, he did have the trailer. It was 84 grand with trailer, so they were smart. He had everything on that one. So the last one I saw. So let's head ourselves over to where we got to go here. Tracker. More trackers. But yeah, there's just smaller ones. Heck yeah. More party barges over here. More pukey brown. Boat world, I guess, huh? Let's go look. Yep. Let's go see. You can see. Yeah, these are all just the same BS. Look at this. This ugly brown. Boat show price. Good through. I love it until Sunday. That's hilarious. There's that pukey brown. I just don't get it. Does not want to get me excited to go in that boat.
I think Steve was down front.
Not a chance.
Earlier he was. So that allows us. I'm gonna. I think he might be busy.
This one's kind of nice. Saw one of the sales lady planting stuff out. She had the ripest watermelon ass I've ever seen on one of my life. Oh my goodness. Huh. Oh my word.
Mother.
Then they mix in green and the brown. That's just bizarre. You're gonna go all puke. It's just unbelievable. That's a nice. This is nice. That's a nice color. None of that crap. I mean, I like them, but this makes no sense. What's it with this brown pukey color? What is that? It does not make me want to get on a party barge. I'm sorry.
I don't know.
The guy just told me that's the color of the year. I just can't. I don't know. That's my personal opinion. I mean, it's a nice party barge, but whatever.
Yeah.
My opinion. Anyway, be good. There you go. Hurricane. Look at the hurricane over here. So, oh, that one. There we go. Let's go up here. 168,000. Jesus. With the motor. So, 168,000, my friend. At least it's not that pukey brown.
Agreed.
I told that guy, I'm sorry, it does not make me want to get by that. It looks like someone puked on it. It's not.
I like this one. Yeah.
I don't get that. That's the, every year I come here, I tell the guys, I don't know why. If I'm selling thing, if I'm the president, there'd be no puke colors going on my outline. Sorry. I want some of this young lady. Usually the women will usually buy it because they like the way it looks. Okay? It's just, I'm not buying the puke. Yep, bingo. The hurricanes. Yeah, a little, put that on the side. Nice, smart move. Boat outlet. So there's some more of those. They went up there already anyways, but yeah, it's hurricane. They have another party barge. Mm-hmm. There's just a bunch of pukies up there. I mean, I might go up there, what the hell, but this is kind of nice. It's sold. Nice. Well, I'm not surprised. It's unbelievable what they want, what they're trying to get after these bad boys. As you can see, we're kind of, there's a bunch more, but it's nice. It's sold. We can kind of go look at the hurricane real quick, work our way back over there. There's some more over there, but I can't get them all. You can only do so much. You go so many places without falling over. I might kill myself. Oh. All right. It's over here. puke brown. I don't get it. More puke brown. That's kind of a not bad. But Godfrey produced. It's just that's a lighter brown. I don't mind it. That's nice. That's nice. Godfrey Hurricane, 35 grand. Stay with trailer. Nope. Yeah, let's go over here. Go to.
A little vlogging.
Yeah. We'll go over here. A little vlogging on Amino's channel. So over here, look at these bad boys. There's so many different you can get. It's all about quality. And if they're, as long as they don't get. There's a big one over here, and it's just unbelievable. Love the layout, but 38 grand for puke. It's not as bad. This is a nice one right here. Right. Perfect. It's a nice one right there. But you can tell more puke. And it should be on there. How much for the whole thing? Boat show special, 45,000. These are your fishing ones right here.
I watch your videos, man.
What?
I watch your videos.
Which videos?
The ones you put on this Facebook so I can see everybody else's pricing.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
When you walk around and you do everything,
Yeah.
I watch them after the year before so I can see where I landed with pricing.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You watched them last year? Okay, well, thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. What'd you think of them? I'm a straight shot. I'm a straight shot.
I thought it was pick and poke, pick and poke.
Did you hear the pig and a poke? You hear that?
Yeah.
Pig and a poke. I bitched the one guy and I dick slapped him because I asked him about you should have a trailer, you know. And so I appreciate you watching. I appreciate. There's just point and shoot, you know, nothing special.
No, I like them though.
Yeah, I'm good. I appreciate it. All right, thanks for watching.
Take care.
It's on. I'm also on YouTube too. So I'm watching YouTube too as well. Cowport Adventures. So thank you. This will be up in a couple weeks. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. That's great. Sold. I do when I do them I'm unfiltered without swearing. I point things out. I'm a consumer, besides a videoer. That was funny. But this one's a nice one right here. Very nice. That's kind of nice. Small one here. That was pretty funny. That was pretty funny. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Size 27. But that was funny. Starcraft. All right. These are small ones, 31 grand. But look at this bad boy. Yeah, there is a lot of pig and pokes. There's a lot of that behavior goes on. This is Starcraft, so you can kind of tell. In the end, either one or this one. So whatever, and we'll kind of work it up here. So I appreciate it coming to video. I really do, because there's so much you can do, and I try to be unfiltered in this behavior, give my true opinion on something. I don't get paid to do this. I pay to get in, but no one pays me to lick someone's undercarriage. So, oh God. But I'm sorry, man. Got a price trailer and motor, a whole 9 yards, or it is a pig and a poke. You know what I'm saying? Hello. That's pretty funny, the guy's watching it all. Pretty hilarious. Uh-oh, got a bad arm, huh? What happened?
Still on the ice.
Ouch. That's not good. This puke brown again. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. So we're gonna go this way. Thought that little girl's doing some with a whistle. I thought she was. I thought ICE was here. They murdered another person today. 37-year-old white guy who had conceal and carry. Oh, look at this bad boy. Oh, nice. I don't think this is for sale. I think this is a show and tell. Oh, I like it. Nice. This is show and tell, right? That's what I thought. Nice. 19. Oh, is this for? That's for sale? Oh, I thought it was a show and tell, like it was like an older one. The way it looks like it's old.
Oh,
it's a nice. I like the look. I like it. It's. Oh, that's. I thought it was a. No, I like.
They took the plans from back in 1957.
Oh, okay. So it does have the old look to me.
Yes.
I love it. Very nice. That's why I said show and tell. Meaning, is it? So that's the price of everything on here, right?
Yes.
Because I was talking to a couple of party barge people.
Yep.
And it's like when you buy a car, they don't just say use your card and I pay extra for an engine, right? When I'm selling boats, so I own the place. One, we're not gonna have that pukey brown in my shop. None of that crap. And when I'm showing, it's a price of different engine and trailer, the whole 9 yards.
Yeah.
Well, no, that's how they can look at it. That's my personal opinion. Some guys get pissed off, but no, I thought this was show and tell. I like that. My dad would love that. Mm-hmm. He's looking down right now. He loves it.
Yep.
Thank you very much for talking to me. Appreciate it. Being a good sport about it. Thanks. I thought it was like someone with like a classic. That's nice. I like that. Going old school. Car dealers should start making some older stuff, owning Impalas and whatever else. Whatever. Make it appealing. Men are visual. So, Starcraft. So we're gonna get some bigger ones here. The end here. Oh, nice.
Yes.
Do you come with the boat?
Oh, with that one.
She won't come with the boat. She's a beautiful blonde. I can't believe it. Disappointing.
If you get that boat, I come with.
All right, good enough. I won't tell my wife as long as you don't. So, I think I looked at those premieres already. I think I did. I might have. We'll see. Maybe not. We'll take a quick look at these bad boys. Now there's that puke brown again. These things are huge. 149,000. Holy balls! Oh, goodness. I just can't get over that color.
Yeah.
If I owned this place, I would not have. I call it puke brown. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Whatever. I mean, it looks nice.
Yeah.
My personal opinion.
Yeah.
And you guys sell anything or not?
Yeah, we've sold a few.
All right.
Yeah.
Enough to go to Hawaii?
Well, we'll see about that.
All right. Thanks. Nice. But I'm gonna ask you a dumb question.
Okay.
The pig in a poke here, the cow shed color. The prices include the trailer?
No.
Why don't you have? I'm surprised you wouldn't have both. I know you probably have delivered it. Why would you not have? Just like you buy a car. Do they give you the engine later, or they give it to you with the car?
So what happens is we store like 2,000 boats.
I understand that.
And a ton of people that buy from us do not buy.
I understand that. But for the few in the Proud and the Merry, I'd have that option.
Yeah.
I've talked to 4 or 5 different salesmen, and they agree. I'm not trying to tell you your
Yeah.
job, but if I own this place, that'd be the price so people know. I'm just telling you.
Yeah.
And then that. Thanks for talking to me. I
Yeah.
appreciate it. At least you were nice, but one guy last year told me to fuck off.
No.
So anyway, but I've been insulted by better people.
Okay.
I'll see you. You got all mad at me last year, but that's the way she goes. I hate to swear in my videos, and I apologize, but you know, I'm a consumer for Christ's sake, and I'm a world-class vlogger. Right? All right, let's end this thing right here. Want something more substantial? All right.